Welcome to our lightning-fast 11-minute deep dive into one of the most insightful AI discussions of the year. Lex Fridman sat down with AI experts Dylan Patel and Nathan Lambert for an epic 5-hour conversation on February 3rd, 2025. In this video, we'll unpack the groundbreaking DeepSeek AI models, explore the geopolitical chessboard of AI development, and delve into the future and ethics of AI. Whether you're an AI enthusiast, a tech professional, or just curious about the world's AI trajectory, you won't want to miss this summary. Let's get started. Now let's talk about the key takeaways from the podcast. Takeaway 1. DeepSeek models. Overview, models explained. DeepSeek has developed two notable AI models. DeepSeek V3, which is a versatile language model based on the transformer architecture with a mixture of experts approach, and DeepSeek R1, a model specifically trained for reasoning with a focus on generating coherent thought processes. These are like two different AI brains, one for general chat and one for solving puzzles. Open weights. The weights of these models are openly available, meaning other developers can use or modify these models without needing to train from scratch, promoting transparency and collaboration in AI research. It's like sharing the secret recipe of your AI so others can cook with it too. Licensing. DeepSeek R. One's MIT license means it can be used freely for any purpose, even commercially, without needing to share changes back with the original creators, unlike some more restrictive open-source licenses. You can use this AI recipe to make your own dish without having to give back your new ingredients. Now let's move to the next takeaway. Takeaway 2. Training efficiency of DeepSeek models. Technological innovations. DeepSeek uses advanced techniques like MOE or mixture of experts, which splits the model into multiple specialized segments, and MLA or multi-head latent attention to reduce memory usage during training and inference. It's like having a team where each person is an expert at something specific, making the whole team work smarter, not harder. Cost efficiency. By optimizing how they use their hardware, DeepSeek managed to train R1 for just $5 million, which is remarkably low compared to other leading models, demonstrating their ability to maximize resource use. They built a smart AI on a budget by using every bit of their computer power wisely. Hardware constraints. Due to export controls, DeepSeek had to work with less powerful GPUs than those available in the US, leading to innovative solutions in model architecture to compensate for hardware limitations. They may do with less shiny tools, finding clever ways to still build something great. Now let's move to the next takeaway. Takeaway 3. Inference and serving challenges. Memory issues. Reasoning models like R1 require handling large amounts of data for long context lengths, which can quickly consume GPU memory, affecting how many users can be served simultaneously. It's like having a library book that needs a lot of space to think, making it hard to share with many readers at once. Serving cost. DeepSeek. One's low serving cost is due to both its efficient architecture and the lack of profit margins typically added by companies like OpenAI. But this also means DeepSeek struggles with scalability in serving users. They can serve AI cheaply, but it's like a small cafe trying to handle a rush hour crowd. User experience. The model's ability to serve at low cost is impressive, but the infrastructure to support widespread use isn't fully developed, leading to service limitations as demand grows. Their AI works well for a few, but if everyone wants some, they run out of cups. Now let's move to the next takeaway. Takeaway 4. Geopolitical implications. Export controls. U.S. restrictions on exporting high-end AI chips to China have forced companies like DeepSeek to adapt, influencing the global AI landscape. It's like saying you can't use the best cooking tools if you're from a certain country. AI competition. DeepSeek's advancements are seen as a significant achievement, potentially prompting China to increase its focus on AI development to match or surpass U.S. capabilities. It's like a race where DeepSeek's progress made China want to run faster. Security risks. There's a fear that AI could be used for espionage or to influence public opinion, which adds a layer of complexity to international relations, especially with open-source models. AI could be like a double-edged sword in spying or changing how people think. Now let's move to the next takeaway. Takeaway 5. Reasoning models and their impact. Reasoning capability. Models like DeepSeek AI-1 can simulate thought processes, showing how they might solve problems, which is a step towards more human-like AI interaction. This AI can think through problems, step by step, like a human would. Computational demand. While reasoning improves AI's utility, it also increases the computational load, making each query more expensive due to the need for more steps in processing. Thinking like a human takes more computer power, making each question pricier for the AI. Practical use. The challenge is to balance these models' capabilities with practical, cost-effective applications in real-world scenarios. We need to figure out how to use this smart AI without breaking the bank. We're halfway through the video. Thank you for sticking with us this far. If you're enjoying it, please give us a thumbs up and share it in your WhatsApp groups. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to comment below. To see more videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Now let's continue with the video. Takeaway 6. Open source versus closed source AI. Philosophy. Open source AI promotes a collaborative approach, potentially leading to faster innovation. But it also opens up models to potential misuse. Sharing AI code is like giving everyone the keys to the castle. Good for building together, but risky if used wrongly. Licensing impact. The choice of license can significantly affect how AI is adopted, with some licenses like DeepSeek's encouraging broader use and innovation. The rules you set for your AI recipe decide how freely others can cook with it. Community involvement. Open source models like DeepSeek's can democratize AI access, allowing more people to experiment, learn from, and contribute to AI development. It's like letting everyone play with AI, not just the big companies. Now let's move to the next takeaway. Takeaway 7. Data and pre-training. Data utilization. AI models are trained on vast data sets from the internet, with specific attention to areas like math and coding for specialized tasks. AI learns from the internet, focusing on subjects like math to get smarter. Post-training techniques. Methods like RLHF help tailor AI behavior after initial training, making them more aligned with human expectations or specific applications. After learning the basics, AI gets refined lessons to behave like we want it to. Ethical concerns. Using internet data for training raises issues about privacy, consent, and the ethics of data usage, which are not fully resolved in the AI community. Learning from the internet is like reading someone's diary without asking. It's not always okay. Now let's move to the next takeaway. Takeaway 8. Hardware and infrastructure. GPU demand. The rapid growth in AI has led to a GPU shortage, pushing companies towards creative solutions like using less restricted hardware or even smuggling. There aren't enough of the best computers for AI, so companies get crafty to get what they need. Scale of clusters. Future AI development is expected to involve massive data centers with enormous power demands, indicating a shift in how we think about computational infrastructure. Building AI now means thinking about giant, power-hungry computer farms. Innovative solutions. Companies are exploring new ways to manage the power and cooling needs of these large-scale AI operations, with examples like water cooling systems. It's like rethinking how we keep computers cool and powered when they're working so hard on AI. Now let's move to the next takeaway. Takeaway 9. Economic impact of AI. Cost reduction. AI models have become significantly cheaper to operate, which could democratize access to AI technologies, but also disrupt existing business models. AI is becoming so affordable, it might change how businesses work and who can use AI. Market evolution. As AI models become more of a commodity, companies might need to find new avenues for revenue beyond simple chat applications. With AI everywhere, companies need new ways to make money from it. Labor market. The rise of AI agents could lead to automation in many sectors, potentially reshaping employment, but also creating new roles in AI management and development. AI might take some jobs, but it could also create new ones where people work with AI. Now let's move to the last takeaway. Takeaway 10. Future directions and ethical considerations. Societal impact. AI has the potential to change how we think, interact, and govern, presenting both opportunities for growth and risks of manipulation or control. AI could make our lives better or trickier, depending on how we use it. Regulatory needs. As AI becomes more capable, there's an increasing call for regulations to ensure safety, fairness, and ethical use of AI technologies. We need rules to make sure AI is good for everyone. Human enhancement. The idea of humans interfacing more directly with AI, perhaps through brain-computer interfaces, raises profound ethical questions about enhancement, inequality, and what it means to be human. Could AI make us smarter, or just make some smarter than others? Here is a brief introduction about the guests. Dylan Patel is the founder of SemiAnalysis, a research and analysis company specializing in semiconductors, GPUs, CPUs, and AI hardware. Nathan Lambert is a research scientist at the Allen Institute for AI, or AI2, and the author of a blog on AI called Interconnects. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this summary of the Lex Fridman podcast with Dylan Patel and Nathan Lambert informative. If you're interested in learning more about these topics, I encourage you to watch the full podcast on YouTube. If you enjoyed watching this video, please leave a like below and share this video in your WhatsApp groups. You can also discuss about this video by commenting below. To get more such videos in your timeline, press the subscribe button below.